My name is Feyisayo Adeyina. I'm a family physician, and I've been practicing for over 23 years now. I went to medical school at University of Debrecen in Hungary. Going to medical school, we were not trained to be business owners. We were trained to see patients. And that's where the support from Allo and Avance comes because, you have someone you can just, pick up the phone, ask, what do I do with this? This is a new thing for me. Moving to North Carolina, I opened a practice right here in Main Street Square and did that for 2 years because I had to keep coming up with, figuring out what the new policies were. And then, of course, reimbursement was low because I was a solo practice and the negotiation skills that we had were not as great because we didn't have the numbers. So after 2 years, I came into Avance Care. I feel like that made a big difference, especially in practice income, because my reimbursements went up. I had more time to dedicate to the patients and spend that time making sure that they were well taken care of. So, of course, patient satisfaction went up. So my dream has always been for my client or my patient to be able to see behavioral health, be able to get allergy testing, give as many services as possible in one place. So we have behavioral health, we have nutrition, we have allergy testing, we have lab right in the clinic. So that's also what drew me to Avance because we had that same goal. And that's why we're so successful too, because our patients realize that, they can get all those services in one place and not have to search everywhere to try to get those services. It helps when you've got a good team around you. So a lot of that administration is taken care of. And of course, the major burden of billing and trying to figure out, processes and policies and all that stuff is done with Avance Care and Allo. So that has been very helpful to take a lot of that burden off of me. It's important for things to work well, right? The patients don't need to see what's happening in the back. Our goal is to make sure that things flow together really well. And that's the joy of having Allo along with physicians and working together because then you come together and make decisions that work for the patient.